Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warframe mobile app not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on Android phones. So here follow the fixes. So the first and simple fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device once, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Warframe game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check for Warframe mobile app update. So open Play Store, tap on search, search for Warframe and then tap on it. And if there are any updates available for this app, then download from the Play Store and then go ahead, launch the Warframe game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is connected and it is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Warframe mobile is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Warframe app. So tap and hold Warframe app, then click on app info, then tap on force stop and then again tap on force stop to confirm, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then next solution is to clear the Warframe app cache files. So tap and hold Warframe app icon, then click on app info, tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also tap on clear data. Clear app data includes files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So if you agree, then tap on delete to confirm, and then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store, such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Nord VPN, Secure VPN, Octohide VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then go ahead, launch the Warframe app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then simply uninstall Warframe mobile app from your device, then just restart your device and then reinstall Warframe mobile game on your mobile and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then there could be a server issue in the Warframe mobile app. So you can check if the server status is offline or under maintenance or having an outage. In that case, you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Warframe mobile app not loading, stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.